The Alcolimit VIVID Breathalyser is Australian standards approved. It provides high accuracy at an affordable price. The Alcolimit VIVID Breathalyser comes in a sturdy zip-up case. This includes 5 mouthpieces, 1 recalibration reminder card, 1 user manual, and 2 AAA batteries. Insert alkaline batteries. Hold the button for 2 seconds. The number of uses since last calibration will appear. Breathalyser will then begin to heat up. This may take 30 seconds. Tightly insert mouthpiece. Then blow till you hear a double beep.